fish. Should be fish. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh. Fish on. Alright, here we go. Live shad we're using tonight with the planer bobbers out here on the Scioto River, Columbus, Ohio, just north of the zoo. Caught a dink so far. This one feels pretty good. That's good fish. Get a net. Oh yeah, this guy's cat. That channel. Oh yeah, that's catfish. Yeah. Later bobber catfish. Live shad. Ooh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Self-release. Good boy. Yeah. Nice fish. Yeah, nice. Huh? Talking fish. Bye-bye, fishy. Oh, good fish. Coming out about 5-6 feet of water. Look at that. It says it catches fish so big that sometimes it's scary. Yeah, I've been scared a few times. Okay, here we go. So packaging. There's the planer bobber itself. Got a nice little weight system on there. Comes with a swivel. Two of the release tubes. It's a nice feature in case you lose one. Two. And you got the directions. Oh yeah. Tells you everything you need to know on there about how to rig them, how to fish them. Nice. Jug fishing has caught fish way bigger than the world record for any rod and reel. People win in tournaments are using tactics such as drifting and strolling and bottom bouncing. Well, planer bobbers are about the same thing as jug fishing, only a little better in a way because it's controlled. You can make it go where you want, make it stop where you want, and when a fish hits it, instead of chasing the jug, you got it on your rod and reel and got a good chance at a world record. Okay, says these things glow in the dark and they never ever need batteries. Let's check it out. It says you can charge it with any light source. Okay, we're going to charge it. We're just going to try to use a trouble light and charge it. Let's see how this works. Give it about Oh, 5 seconds more, huh? Alright, I'm going to turn out the light. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Oh, that's a glow. Look at that. You can read the newspaper. Read the directions with it. Wow. Now that's a glow. Wow. Never ever needs batteries. Look at that. That's cool. You can see the instructions in the dark with it. You almost use it for a flashlight. Holy sheep crap. Boy, that thing glows. Who wants to go fishing? Alright, today we're going to be fishing with our new super slow drift planer bobbers. I'm going to show you how they rig up on here. First of all, you got a circle hook on the end of your leader. It's a nice little circle hook. It's a no set, no brainer job. Move up, next area here goes to the swivel. Just a regular barrel swivel. Small weight, that's about a 1/4 ounce weight. Then the blue tube goes on there. What you want to do now is you want to slide the blue tube up a little bit. And you hook this between the weight and the blue tube. There's a snap swivel on the back there. Hook it right on and you snap it. And what you want to do is pull enough line through there that you want to fish with. We're going to be fishing about 3 feet down. So I'm going to pull about 3 feet of line out. And well, that always includes the leader. I'm going to hook this thing to run to the left. And what we're going to do, get it unhooked from here. Got some big gizzard shad in the cast net here. Got one throw, caught all those with the cast net earlier. Get one of those out of there. Cut them. I like to use the head part most. Leave a little bit of meat and some gut. Generally what I do is I hook them right through the nose or the eyes, depending on the size of hook you're using. There like that. That one's ready to cast out there. These are the only castable planers that there are on the market that I know of. There's a couple of little ones out there, but they don't do near the stuff that the planer bobbers do. Cast this thing out there, and we're going to start trolling very slowly with the trolling motor. Go ahead and set it in a rod holder. Click on the trolling motor on low. Off we go. This one here's all rigged up. All we need to do is cut us a nice piece of bait. We'll try the belly section of that same bait that we just cut here. Try a nice big piece. That's the nice thing about a planer bobber is it'll definitely hold up a big chunk of bait. These stomach pieces I generally hook through the, try to get a lot of the gizzard in there and the guts. Come out there with the circle hook. Always check that there's no scales on there. If you've got scales on there, you might miss a hook set. Now, same thing with this, we're going to cast it out there, and off we go. Put it into the rod holder. You can be boosting the engine on and off, on and off. You can see this one out here working to the side. Just stays there to the side. What you do is you can loosen up the drag So when a fish hits it, it takes drag, and the circle hook's going to set it. Usually what I do is keep giving it a little bit of line out and get them farther and farther out away from the boat so the fish aren't afraid of the boat so much. They're usually not afraid of the trolling motor. It's pretty quiet. This is a pretty catfish looking area. There's a lot of stumps and trees laying in the water. We generally do pretty good here, so we'll probably tear them up. But you can see the spread in between these things. Looks to be about a 40-50 foot spread going already. And they'll just stay there on the far sides of your boat where you set them. You can let line out till they're 50-75 feet out. And, definitely stealthy little planers. Gotta pull them away from some of those trees out there because they'll snag on trees too. They're pretty snagless though with their circle hooks and the rigs the way they're set up.